Without standardized processes, you will be one of the many other companies that do not provide a good product for their customer.
We generally use CompanyCam from start to finish. You know, our guys today are doing a huge condominium association, so we're able to track our guys, make sure they're doing the job correctly, making sure each step of that roofing system that we install are going to be applied properly.
When we launched it with the use of the templates, it was a great reminder for the types of documentation that are required. Once they're using it and they're going, I think they're less reluctant to take more photos. They know they don't have as much of a constraint on their camera roll.
Our crews use CompanyCam, and we can see, even across states, what's happening through the comfort of our own office. You can only imagine if we had to physically be there, we wouldn't be able to operate in all the states we do currently.
The standardized process is essential. It was essential in us becoming the company that we are, and it's going to be even more important for us to become the company that we say we want to be.